Candace? Candace? Are you happy? You're almost halfway, baby. Soon you will be 6 months. Half year. Babae. Babae. Candace. Are you happy, Krabby? Are you happy to be there, my Krabby baby? My little Krabby. Little Krabby. Here your place. Back to Candace. Back to Candace. Hi! How are you, my little one? Are you a little one? How are you, baby? Did you enjoy your holiday in Albania? Huh, baby? Are you happy to be here? Candace, are you happy to be here? You have to enjoy because soon you will back in UK and there it's very cold. And winter coming soon. Candace! Hi, babae ko. Babae. Oy, babae.
Dziecko, are you with mamuśka?
Daddy, daddy, daddy.
Are you with mamuśka here? Hmm? Where are you, babae?
Where are you,
Hey,
babae?
Miss Albania.
Here.
Is it not water too cold for you?
No. Ay! What's this? This one. This wave. Ay! Look the wave. Ay! Another wave. Another wave. Ay!
How can you manage the water here?
Ay! Scared na.
Wow! So deep water. Hi! Miss Albania.
Oy, babae. Oy, babae. Miss Albania. Babae o Albania. Come to mom. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, daddy. Hey!
Hi, Miss Albania. How is it going, Miss Albania?
All perfect, daddy. I like the place. Daddy. I'm very happy, daddy. And next, my visit is in Philippines.
So what have you done today?
I was in the water and I was really like it, even it's cold. That was fantastic for me, Dodi. Candace, we are in Albania. Dito kami sa may city. Ang guba na to, parang di na nila inayos. Yan. Candace! Candace!